Welcome to Dev Basics with AI. This video is inspired by the ideas and mental models discussed in Stanford University's Modern Software Engineer Materials, reinterpreted and expanded for real-world AI native development. You'll leave with a clear mental model for becoming a modern software engineer in an AI-driven world. Let's start with LLMs. What are LLMs? They exist to translate human intent into language a machine can understand. They are autoregressive models that calculate the probability distribution for the next token based on massive pre-training. LLMs see code by converting text inputs into fixed-dimensional numerical vectors. Think of tokens as Lego bricks that the LLM arranges based on patterns. Don't expect understanding without clearly defined context. Training involves 3 stages. First, pre-training learns the notion of language and code structure. Second, supervised fine-tuning teaches specific instructions. Third, preference alignment ensures helpful and polite responses. Effective prompting is an art. Prompts are the lingua franca for programming LLMs. Use role prompting to set a persona, structure with tags, and treat the prompt like a set of technical specifications. Chain of thought, or CoT. Reasoning solves the problem of complex task failure. By asking the model to think step by step, it reduces hallucinations and reveals logical subproblems before implementation. K-shot prompting uses examples, such as 1, 3, or 5 examples, to teach the model desired output formats or specific style. This is crucial for unique tasks where a zero-shot prompt will fail. Agents move beyond static knowledge by connecting the LLM brain to tools and dynamic data. The agent flow involves reading a request, checking tools, executing them, and returning a response in a loop. Tool use and function calling solve the problem of models not being able to interact with the real world, such as running an NPM test. We define tools with JSON schemas, and the model emits a structured tool call. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, standardizes how tools and context are exposed across host platforms. It acts as the USB port for AI models, simplifying integration from an M/N problem to an M+N solution. Memory and agentic loops are vital, so agents can remember past steps and avoid mistakes. The reflection pattern involves the model critiquing and revising its own answers using recursive loops. To avoid hallucinations, which are often a, quote, context engineering problem, use Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. This infuses the model with real-time documentation and forces it to search the codebase before answering. We are moving from traditional IDEs to an AI-native workspace. This is an evolution from simple editors to extensible IDEs, and now to proactive background agents, where the developer acts as the navigator. In this new setup, context is a first-class concept. AI IDEs store code chunks as embeddings. They retrieve chunks via Merkle trees and feed them as context. The model doesn't inherently know the codebase without indexing. For complex tasks, you must become a product manager for the AI. Create a spec stock with goals, plans, and out-of-scope items. This PRD acts as the source of truth, preventing design shortcuts. Codebase orientation is essential for agents. Model confusion often comes from a messy repository context. Optimize your codebase and use special files like agents.md for navigation guidance. Long context failures occur because context windows are limited, and irrelevant information causes, quote, context rot. The solution is compaction, periodically summarizing the conversation to retain critical points. Autonomy levels range from human in the loop to full autonomy. Full autonomy is necessary for parallel tasks, but it is a mistake to trust it too early on high-stakes tasks without a verified test suite. We have synchronous and asynchronous workflows. Sync is single-threaded, like a short conversation. Async is multi-threaded, like a long project handoff, enabling 10x leverage by managing parallel streams. Sub-agents and personas allow for runtime delegation to create distinct entities, such as a front-end versus a back-end persona. This cleanly separates contexts, preventing distraction and mimicking a CEO managing department heads. There is an illusion of control and delegation. Many prefer synchronous tools because managing and delegating is difficult. The highest value skill is becoming an agent manager, focusing on architecture, not micromanaging syntax. Claude-style secret sauce patterns involve front-loading context with tiny, targeted prompts. To prevent agents from drifting from the original goal, use system reminders in every tool call result to maintain alignment. Terminal native agents, such as Claude Code, are highly hackable and master CLI tools like Git and Docker. The terminal is lightweight and works everywhere, allowing agents to orchestrate complex workflows. Automation is thinking. Running shell commands is part of the agent's thought process. Terminal output is the agent's eyes into the environment, allowing effective agents to interpret errors and self-correct. Warp and Claude Code represent two mental models. Warp focuses on AI-enhanced human productivity, like a power tool. Claude Code focuses on agentic autonomy, acting as an apprentice. We need both ergonomics and autonomy. This is the SDLC inflection point. We are moving from syntax suggestion to systems managing the whole software development lifecycle. Terminal native agents allow for rapid, no-context switching development. Generative AI introduces new attack vectors, such as prompt injection. This is when hidden instructions trick the AI into deviating from its plan, which can lead to a full system compromise of a developer machine. Tool misuse and identity spoofing are risks. Agents can be manipulated to abuse tools or exploit compromised authentication. The solution is extensive guardrails and manual approval for sensitive tool actions. AI enhances both static application security testing, or SAST, and dynamic application security testing, or DAST. AI is especially useful in finding logic and correctness errors that simple pattern matching misses. A major limitation is the high false positive rate in AI security scanning. The solution for non-deterministic results is, quote, self-consistency prompting, which involves sampling multiple times and aggregating the results. The ethics of AI-generated patches come down to the accountability rule. You own the code that is merged. There is no blaming the AI. AI-assisted code review offers the highest leverage, consistently applying high standards and avoiding human, quote, review fatigue. Teams using AI review platforms see a 33% increase in shipped pull requests. AI catches logic bugs, performance issues, and security risks. However, it misses complex business logic and deep tribal knowledge. AI is for style and bugs. Humans focus on mental alignment and design. Debugging is hypothesis testing. Instead of sequential manual investigation, the agent approach pursues multiple hypotheses in parallel to find the root cause, acting as an, quote, investigation commander gathering evidence. AI scales organizational knowledge by transforming siloed tribal data into accessible information. This reduces onboarding time and allows everyone to ask the codebase for insight. The democratization of design means everybody can cook. Technical capability is no longer the barrier. Platforms transform product requirements documents into interactive prototypes instantly, allowing founders to launch MVPs in days. Prompt-to-product pipelines rely on intent understanding to extract requirements. The mechanism assembles context before generating code. Since AI handles boilerplate syntax, humans can focus on the core problem. Multistack generation ensures production-quality code. Automated checks ensure accessibility and quality. Stream manipulation allows the system to fix mistakes like imports on the fly. Limitations include the square one problem. If the AI gets stuck, you are without deep knowledge. Also, we must prevent homogenization and remember that prompts are suggestions, not perfect final solutions. Coding is 30% of the work. Running code in production is 70%. AI Site Reliability Engineering, or SRE, addresses this 70% challenge by having agents monitor golden signals like latency and errors, acting as your always-on on-call partner. Imagine a 3:12 a.m. database query spike. Instead of a human, an AI assesses the issue, checks changes, and localizes the, quote, blast radius. It correlates millions of logs and commits in seconds to find the root cause. The problem is SRE burnout from stressful on-call shifts. Agentic AI mitigates issues using runbook guidance before paging a human. This structure builds a dynamic knowledge graph, reducing MTTR and preventing massive engineer callouts. The architecture involves coordinating specialized agents for infrastructure, security, and support. Agents collaborate by sharing a, quote, context layer with tribal knowledge. Unlike humans using Slack, agents use shared state and protocols. The future of software engineering is closed loop, with AI handling writing, testing, deploying, and monitoring. We are transitioning from one-to-one to one-to-many agent management. The key skill is mastering asynchronous delegation. Remember, AI won't replace you. A competent engineer who knows how to use AI will. Join Dev Basics with AI to master the thinking patterns of the future. where intent is the new syntax.